Okay, so we've just arrived to get in the queue for Soarin, and we've got some fast passes, so hopefully we can get in and use the fast pass just before it runs out. Hopefully we can get in just at the right time. We managed to get in and use the fast pass for Soarin, so we're going to find out what it's like. See you in a minute.
Line or of heights. You might want to wait for your party at the arrival gate. Okay, let's review. That is seatbelt, carry-on item, safety strap, fear of heights, keep your hands and arms inside at all times. Anything else? Yeah. Have a nice flight.
What was happening on the Soarin ride, Mum? What happened?
Miserable woman.
Miserable woman.
I picked my seat down. She said, oh no, that's mine. She really got cross.
Miserable woman. She snapped at Mum because she touched her seatbelt.
I've got a husband. He said to me, stop paying like a child. You're not a child anymore. He's like, put your back in the seat. What's coming to his legs?
There are some snappy people here, aren't there?
It always happens to you, Linda. Always happens to you.
I'll tell you what though, earlier I was just taking a picture of me of something in the background. I can't remember what it was, but there was a photographer and there was this woman coming along and she gave me this dirtiest of looks, just to say like, get out of the way, I want my picture taken. This woman, she gave me a really dirty look, just to say, get out of the way, I want my picture taken. I was like, what's the matter with you? It's like,
you had to wait for your
I had to wait. I had to wait for my picture to take in. She gave me the really dirty look. All I was doing was just stood there taking a picture like I am now. I was like, man, crazy people. Calm down. I thought this is Disney World. This is meant to be the happiest place on earth.
Yeah, exactly.
Oh well. Anyway, we just got out the Soarin ride. I really enjoyed it. I've taken video footage of it all, so hopefully you can see that. I think it came out well. Dad didn't enjoy it because he doesn't like the heights thing. So he didn't like it, but I really liked it. I thought it was a really good ride, Soarin. So yeah, all good. Hopefully it came out well on the camera. I think it did. We were in the second tier of the seating, so we were like in the middle row. There was people above us flying, and there's people below us. But yeah, I think it came out quite well, and I enjoyed it. It's only a very quick ride. It takes you like, it's like a movie, like you fly over all the different landscapes and different landmarks around the world. But yeah, I enjoyed it.